So I just want to quickly show you how we can create a digital signature on Mac using Preview. So to do this, you just need to go into any document that you have that you want to edit a signature. So open any document. Here we'll open this calendar document in Preview. Preview is built into your Mac. So go ahead and click on that little highlighter icon there. It brings up a little toolbar with a bunch of different tools. And in the signature area, you can see I already have some previous signatures that I've created. But let's go ahead and click on Create Signature if you don't have any. And then you can actually use the trackpad that's right on your Mac to go ahead and create that and detect it. So if you go ahead and click on the click here to begin, and now you can just draw your signature wherever you want on the trackpad itself. So I'll go ahead and write something here. I'll just say test signature. And you can see it's a little trickier to write on here, but that's fine. And then once you go ahead and do that, you could. I like a different method. For this, you need a piece of paper and a pen. So just go ahead and write out the signature that you want. So this is just easier to flow. So I'm going to write test signature here on this piece of paper, just like that. So for this, it'll use your Mac camera once you're on here. And the piece of paper that you've done, you're just going to go ahead and scan that in like that. Just hold a piece of paper and it'll detect it. Once it detects it, you can see it makes it transparent, and I like how it scanned it in, so I'm just going to hit done, and there it is. So once you have your signature entered on the document, you can move it around and put it wherever you want, wherever the signature box is, and resize it or even add it in multiple places. So you could have the same signature in multiple places, or you could even have different signatures created in the same document to go in different places as well. But in a nutshell, this is how you can quickly create a digital signature that's transparent and to use on many different documents on a Mac using Preview. Thank you.